All right. I made it back. Not just back from the podcast, but just back. Um, the struggle has been real, but still I rise. Let me fix my mic. I made. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Happy afternoon. Thank you for those that were here for the podcast. Um, I've been working on this setup, and I also been working on getting my stuff over here. But and I finally get that new computer. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Quarantine, welcome back. Or I don't know, you probably never even left. But I hope you see the response to your comment about the website. The Hacking with the Homies website is getting updated Monday. So that's what I was saying. Monday, all the info is gonna come out. But yes, I should be getting a new MacBook Pro soon. I'm on the Intel chip, y'all. So like, if you got any kind of M series chip, you don't know my struggle right now. All right, gotta make sure that's tight. The Intel chips, I mean, they were good for what they were, but I feel like one of the big problems I'm having right now is that my I feel like since it's been so many years of M series chips already, I think I'm struggling just because I'm on an old architecture and a lot of apps are really, more so optimized for a completely different type of chipset. So I'm excited. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm gonna lose my freaking mind because I'm jumping like 3 generations from like a 2019 Intel, which was a spec'd out Intel, by the way. But I'm jumping from like a 2019 to 2023 model. Whew. My heart is a flutter. Personal is an M1 Max. Work issue is Intel. Yeah, so this year was the first year I had to buy my own computer in so long. Oh my God. That was part of my struggle too. Usually, any company I worked for, I could just have whatever the latest MacBook was. I don't even know what my last MacBook was using, but yeah, I have to. I always had the newest model year, MacBook Pro. So this was a struggle. The computer itself is fine. It's just I'm trying to do too much. I'm trying to do 2023 things on the 2019 MacBook, and it's not. It's showing its age. So I'm excited to go to the new system. Actually, my sister has an M1, just a regular M1 chip. Pretty sure. I don't know. She had an M1 when it first came out, but I don't know how much she spec'd her Mac up. But I was using hers, and that one was working really, really well. So, I know it's good, but I've been struggling. So anyways, all's well that ends well. So when I get a new computer, it will be a major thing for me because tech, like obviously streams and videos and all that stuff requires certain type of computing power. And let's see, because I feel like I forgot to go live last Thursday on Twitch. So my apologies, because usually if nothing else, I'm live on Thursdays because of the podcast. I forgot to check Twitch as an option when we went live. So we didn't have the Train X podcast on Twitch last week. And of course, I don't have a recording for the Train X podcast last week. And also, of course, the only place I went live to was like LinkedIn. And LinkedIn, I literally could not find a way to download that video. Even with a lot of tools that let you download videos from LinkedIn, it kept downloading the wrong video for some reason. So that was a hard lesson learned, but we'll be good. I did start the YouTube channel for Train X. So what I'm planning on doing is rebroadcasting all the live streams from all the episodes. I'll probably do like a day where I just rebroadcast all the live streams, and then for our last episode of Train X podcast this month, we'll go live on YouTube as well. Then in the future, you can just look for the episodes on YouTube. We got an ad break in like 24 seconds on Twitch. But yeah, so today I'm just trying to get my life together. I had to clean up my whole kitchen because it was crazy in here. It wasn't really just my kitchen, it was my whole house. And I did that first. I have all my Christmas decorations, so I'm ready for that. But yeah, we have work to do. M1 Max, I wish I had an M. I want an M3 Max, but a M3 Pro will be good. I'm planning on getting a M3 Pro 16-inch. So it's not the bin, what they call it, like the bin chip. It's not the bin chip. It's the regular chip. Probably like mid-tier Pro chip, I think. I'm still planning on getting that iMac though. I want the iMac for the kitchen because I'm so in love with having a computer in my kitchen. Y'all don't even know. I don't know. I feel like it gives me so much more flexibility, especially when I'm trying to do stuff. Like I not like I always be trying to multitask, but a lot of times when I'm up and I'm moving around, like if I'm in the kitchen and I'm trying to cook or, clean up or whatever the case may be, then I still might want to, be watching a podcast or, I'm going to be going back to school. So I'm going to be having to watch a lot of lectures and stuff like that. It's just really, really convenient that having the computer right here, because I spend a lot of time in this space. And I feel like my office will get more play during the day, but in the evenings and stuff, like when I'm off from work or whatever, technically, I still just like having this option. And then I still probably will have somewhere to DJ up here because I like being able to DJ from this back area. But my bar is eventually going to be upgraded to a bar because I've always wanted a bar in my house. So I'm working on, I don't know, I'm just getting my life together, y'all. I'm getting my life together. We are at the end of the year. So I feel like I have a lot of things I still want to do just to get prepared for next year. What program am I starting? I'm doing a WGU computer science program, like bachelor's, if that's what you mean. I'm finishing up the bachelor, so then the next step would be in August. I want to apply by August. I need to apply to Georgia Tech OMSCS. That's right after that, and then PhD after that. But we got time. That might be the question you were asking. I only have ate my lunch, so I might snack for a second, but we got I feel really proud of myself. Oh, you know what I didn't look at? Let's look at this. Maybe we can look at it together. I got that notice about the put this over here, make this super tiny because I don't need to see that all the time. Okay. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, I can see. Okay, I got another question. Hold on, let me read this question. It says, how did I stay motivated to study and finish tasks? Stay motivated to study/finish tasks while studying. Feel the block to me doing many things and moving forward in my life and career is lack of motivation. Okay, so motivation is so different for everybody. How do I stay motivated? And I've been through some SHIT, y'all. I'm gonna try to keep it PG, but like, because I feel like a lot of people who see me think that they know what kind of life I live, and it's like you have no idea what kind of stuff I've seen. But motivation is levels to it. So for me, one of the biggest motivators for me, I would say, is like I have to have a North Star. That's how I always describe it. So and some people say like you have to have a why. So if my why is big enough, if my North Star is important enough to me, then I don't care what I have to do to reach it. that's how I got as far along as I did in my career, because I had a certain North Star that I was going towards. For me, it was like a certain caliber of, I guess, a certain caliber I wanted to be or experience in my career. And so I couldn't like say it's a tangible thing, but because I had that motivation to get to the, the end goal. To me, like what they say, like the ends justify the means, basically. So it's not like I would say, I ever did anything negative, but it was like those hard nights. Like I did a lot of all-nighters sometimes, and like I was studying and doing freelance stuff. A lot of my motivation came from the end goal. So that can be very helpful, because sometimes I even found that when I didn't know what my North Star was, I lost my way a bit. My motivation definitely lacked. I have a son now, so that's another type of motivator. That one is, not it doesn't do it for every parent, but for me as a parent, that's a big deal. Like, he can only experience what I do, so that's another thing for me. But yeah, the way that I kind of described it to people in the past is like, if you don't know what motivates you, look back at times where you were super motivated to do something and see if you can basically, like, what's the word? Almost like reverse engineer the situation. So this is something I've learned about myself over the years, the whole North Star thing. Like, I have to have a specific end in mind, and then I can do anything that it takes to get to that end. So for example, when I was trying to get in shape, which I'm about to be working on, like, getting back in shape and everything, and like a whole fitness thing. I hate working out. I do not like going to the gym. I never really been like an athletic kid per se. I was a choir kid. I was a math nerd. Like, and I always was like super skinny when I was little, so I didn't have to do much work. But as I got older, when I wanted to get in shape, this is what I did. And this is how I discovered that this is, just a thing that I have, like a way that my brain works. I started, instead of going to the gym, I went and started this activity. I started doing aerial. I started going to aerial classes. I was really out of shape. I couldn't really do nothing. All I could do was barely pull myself up onto the trapeze. But I liked having the activity, and then instead of like going to the gym and having to like do specific exercises, I liked the challenge of learning new moves and things like that. I also like rock climbing for like the same reason. So then when I really wanted to push myself, when I was like, I'm not going consistently enough, or, I'm always skipping days, and I really want to see some progress, I signed up for a showcase. This is the kind of stuff y'all will see me do. If I really want to meet a goal, I do something public. So I signed up for a showcase for aerial. Was I ready to be in the showcase at that time? Absolutely not. But did the pressure of a showcase coming up where I was going to have to perform in front of a whole room of people light a fire? It definitely did. And that got me to going to my workouts consistently, or going to my trainings consistently. And then, the consistency of the workout, like in the end, that pretty much, it works for itself, right? Like, if you work out 2 to 3 times a week consistently, you will start to see the progress. But I needed like a motivator. I like public motivators personally. That's not everybody's cup of tea. But I say all that to say, like, it's really helpful to find what works for you. So if you don't know what specifically are good motivators for you, try to look at situations where you were super motivated, and see if you can reverse engineer what the motivators were, and then how you can apply those to other areas of your life. And I will also say that burnout is definitely a thing. And I've been very, very, very burnt out multiple times, and especially not even recognizing what burnout was at the time. And so I don't want to push like the idea of motivation without talking about the fact that sometimes if you're experiencing a lack of motivation, it can be burnout. And the different types of ways you could be burnout, it could actually be like a mental burnout, or even like a physical or emotional burnout, where you're overwhelmed by stuff, or you're exhausted basically. But there's also burnouts from being bored, right? You could be in a position that's not challenging you, and that can cause you to kind of like detach and experience like just such a level of like you'll have a lack of motivation because you're not interested in what you're doing. So it's different. Yeah, it's different types of ways you can experience burnout. I don't think a lot of people talk about the boredom burnout when they talk about burnout. I think mostly people talk about like, I worked so hard that I didn't have, like, I overdid it. But sometimes underdoing it is just as bad. So I don't know. Hopefully those are helpful. And thank you for the blessings corn tool. Yeah, I will be starting. Y'all gonna be studying with me, so y'all gonna be right along with me for the whole ride. That's what I've been wanting to do. I've been wanting to get everything together because 2024 is going to be really busy, and I can already feel it. Like, this is the type of point where it's going to be like 2024 is going to start, and I'm going to look up and it's going to be like the PhD is going to be done. Like, I feel like it's off to the races. And so I've been trying to focus on sustainability because, like I said, I get burnt out. I know I can get burnt out, the type of person that I am. And plus I have a son now, so I don't value like all-nighters and literally just working around the clock. I value being able to have like work smarter, not harder. I'm trying to build my businesses, and build my content, build my brand. So but I don't want to sacrifice actually enjoying life for that process, and it's not necessary either. It's just about being strategic and saying no to things and weighing the pros and cons of different things and things like that. So anyways, school, that's happening. That's been on the back burner for so long too. School is happening, and then we are launching our MVP developer book in Q1. So I get to write a book. I think I'm gonna write another book right after that because I have another idea. I was already planning on publishing a book, and then Mac was like, "Hey, we're writing a book." I'm like, "Oh, that's where I got that from." Okay, I already felt it coming. And then with the startup, I think that has a lot of potential. A lot of opportunities are coming up, so we shall see. So I think 2024 is about to go crazy. I'm excited, but I need to make sure that things are going to be in order. So I'm making sure that I want to get through a goal planning session before the end of the year. I'm buying a big ass calendar, like a whole wall sized dry erase calendar where I can literally see all 24 months. I might buy 2 or 3 or 4, depending on how wide it is. If I can get 2 side by side, then I can get 4. And y'all might think that sounds crazy, but like it's really a lot going on. And I need to see the big picture because I mostly have control over a lot of the stuff that I do. So whether it's like, when should I start school, or when should we run a certain like we're running MVP developer training right now, when should I do those, when should we do a book launch, and I'm planning on writing a lot more content, doing a lot more like classes and workshops for metadevgirl.com next year. Like, we will have the MetaDev world, right, with all the content and stuff. So I like this. I need a big picture, so I just want like a giant wall in that office back there. One of the walls is just gonna be a big giant calendar where I can see like the whole timeline. I'm excited though. So that's where we are right now, y'all. We have I want to do a hackathon in February. Yeah, February. Because with Detroit Black Tech, historically, we always did our major event in February, obviously for Black History Month. And only thing is, February is not a good time to have a conference in Detroit. So we are moving the conference to May. So the conference is May 11th. But in February, I still want to do something big. So I think I'm going to do a hackathon. We'll have a hackathon in February, and we'll figure out what that looks like. But that's what I'm planning for. All right, I want to get my it was the birthday week. Which when's your birthday, Corntool? This year, Hacking with the Homies is during my birthday week, but we are finishing right before my birthday. That was intentional. So, because I was like, I would rather do it the week before my birthday versus the week after my birthday. That way, once my birthday hits, I can like go on downtime. Oh, February 20-ish. Okay. Yeah, we won't be doing it in February anymore. And then the hackathon will definitely be like a virtual thing, most likely. So folks can still participate. I like to be able to have like, big participation. But like, broader participation. But some stuff we do have to start doing more in person. We have to start doing more in person again. So conference is going to be in person this year. We talked about it. We are not really planning on doing like a hybrid like we did last year. So yeah, I'll post all the info. And I'll put it in Slack and stuff. I mean, not Slack, Discord. Okay, so I got approached by a platform, y'all, and I want to know, has anybody heard of this before? It's called codecrafters.io. Right? Yeah. And so like on a personal level, if I talk about like, where I'm trying to go in 2024, 2025 and beyond, I'm really trying to up my I'm trying to up my caliber of engineering, so to speak, I guess you could say. And one of the things that came across my inbox was this platform called codecrafters.io. So Codecrafters is like, they have coding challenges basically, but this platform, all the code challenges are geared towards senior software engineers. So one of their notable challenges right now is like build your own Git, right? Build your own DNS server or whatever. Hold on, that's not where I wanted to go. Here, let's see the demo real quick. I'm gonna show y'all the demo. Hold on. Where'd the music go?
Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you what you can expect on the inside. The first page is a selection of languages. I'm going to pick. Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you what you can expect on the inside. The first page is a selection of languages. I'm going to pick Go. On the Golang track we have 4 projects: Build Your Own Redis, Build Your Own Docker, Git, and SQLite. There's also many more coming soon. For this demo, I'm gonna pick Build Your Own Redis. We firmly believe in the idea of learning by doing. That's why we create a starter repository for you that you can clone onto your terminal. Once it's cloned, you can see what's on the inside, a bunch of starter code, and push an empty commit just to test that everything works end to end. Once you see that green cool Codecrafters marker, you know that everything's working and you have automatically been pushed to the next stage. At this point, I'm going to open my favorite code editor to inspect what's on the inside. To make the first stage easy for you, you just have to uncomment some code. Once that's done, just write a comment. You'll see that you have passed this stage and you've been moved to the next one. Before you go to the next stage, you have a few options. You can inspect the official Redis source walkthrough, where we walk you through how the same thing is implemented within the official Redis source code. That source code is in C, but still it gives you a picture of how the official source does it. We also have a diff that shows you how this stage can be implemented, as well as an explanation of what's going on. As the stages progress and the complexity increases, these solutions also increase in complexity. We have a public leaderboard, and I'm excited to see your face in there. See you soon.
All right, so that is the Codecrafters platform. So anyways, I really want to try this out. I'm not going to try out a challenge today in particular, but this is going to be something Ooh, excuse me. I want to do a challenge soon. And I was looking into, because they have like a trial. I was looking into the Build Your Own DNS Server challenge is going to be free while it's in beta. So I think the way it works now is if you want to use the trial, you can do like up to maybe a couple of the first few lessons of a challenge before you have to subscribe. But I want to see if we can try out a challenge together in community, and the Build Your Own DNS Server one is the one that is free right now. So I'm gonna put some time into looking at how I want to do this, but I want to try this challenge out, y'all, and see how y'all like it. But yeah, personally, I was like really excited to see this platform because um it is like, for those of us that's been around the block for a while in software, you get to a point where a lot of the online platforms that have like code challenges, or they have like the education platforms, they're the challenges are more, they kind of max out at mid level, I would say. Like some challenges can be like a senior level, but most of the time, it's a lot. You kind of hit your limit or hit a ceiling on the type of technical education content that's out there. So I like this. I want to try it out. I need to up my Python and my JavaScript. Um, and if it is great, then I will be sharing. I'll share, an actual like. Let me see. I'll share a tool so you can kind of see if you want to try it. But I don't. I will have like a referral opportunity, but I don't. I want to try it out and see. Like, I really want to try it out and see. Okay. We're gonna try it out together, y'all, for free. So, is that right? Yeah, okay. So you would get a week free on the list. All right, so we shall see how it goes. So, anyways, that's a whole nother thing. Oh, Space Ace. Hello. I'm happy to see you. How's it going? You can turn the music back on. That was real active. Okay. And yes, all is well with me. I just was really disappointed last week when I realized I wasn't going live on Twitch on Thursday. So like last week we did not have any live stream. But we working on it. And I might actually do a DJ set for y'all in the new year. Anybody that's been around here for a minute, y'all know, I think back in like 2018, 2019, that was like actually one of my goals, was to live stream like a DJ set. So I think I'm gonna be working on some stuff. I think we need like what's the word? We need a redemption that is like a DJ redemption. I'll definitely be there if you do a DJ set. Yes. Me and my baby we were DJing like 2 weeks ago on the weekend, just practicing. So I'm excited. I figured out how to record my sets too through my software that I use, because I have this is a Pioneer controller. It's a DDJ 400. I don't think they make them anymore. I think they replaced this already, but it's a DDJ 400, and then I use a Record Box, which is the software that comes with it. And with the Record Box software, I could record my sets as well. So we recorded a set and we posted it on YouTube. I'm not gonna tell y'all what a YouTube is yet. I need to like combine. I got too many YouTube channels. I need to combine some. I made a one that's specifically for music though. I don't know if the gaming YouTube channel will come back or not, or maybe I just do more tech stuff on there. But it's like I have met a dev girl now, but so I don't know if it makes sense. I need help with that part. YouTube, like on Twitch, I feel like I can do everything on one channel. On YouTube, I cannot do everything on one channel because I be doing too many random things. But yeah, I would definitely do a DJ set for y'all. Maybe for the new year. How about that? I'll do one like on New Year's, like maybe during the day on New Year's. I don't know. I feel like a lot of people probably be out and about on New Year's Eve, but I think we can do that. It's not like I'm real fancy or nothing, but I think y'all will like my music. I can mix pretty seamlessly. If my beat matching is off, I got the beat match button. Judge me if you want to, I don't care. But yeah, I think that would be so fun. Oh, what is this badge? Where? Twitch recap. Where's my Twitch recap? Oh, that's what I was opening this for. My bad, y'all. I forgot. I wanted to see if we could do the Twitch recap together. They sent me the link, twitch.tv. They sent me the link, but then is this muted? Mute. Oh, here it is. It's literally a whole banner right here. But yeah, they sent me a link and then I wasn't signed in, so I couldn't see it. Have a job interview. Congrats. Good luck. All right, so I watched 1,000 hours, right? Is that how that works? Or, oh, this is my creator. So y'all watched 1,000 hours. I streamed in 4 categories and there's 3 clips and 136 streams. That's really good. Top stream reached 97 viewers, 5,000 chats sent. Okay, right? That's 5,000 chats. We doing good with the chats. We haven't really done that much, like variety wise. Mostly software game development. Obviously, we launched literally 4 podcasts in 2023. So that's our second biggest category. And then I played literally 2 games on this channel this year: Hogwarts Legacy and Starfield. Wait, no, I never got to play Starfield on stream. Actually, I tried. I will send out an announcement for the DJ stream. Absolutely, I will put like a whole event on Twitch, and I'll put an event on Discord. And these are my top 3 tags. So I guess these are maybe these are the tags that I most show up for. I don't know. This is our theme though, y'all. This has been our theme all year. $3,900 channel points spent. What y'all spend channel points on? I don't remember seeing no channel points. Pat myself. Okay, I'm gonna pat myself on the back because we came back from nothing, from like a whole hiatus. I came back from some crazy life circumstances to we are here, and I'm finally in the new place, and we're about to have a new office in 2024. Like, I really appreciate y'all for being here with me. Whew. But we doing some big things next year. We had 137 new followers. We had 36 subs and 30 gifted subs. So we starting to get into our subs. We always send raids. We received a lot of good raids too. And here are the loudest fans. There you are, Space Ace. Ooh, ooh. Obviously, it's everybody, but these are the ones that Twitch is calling out as my loudest fans this year. Wish you luck. You got it, girl. You got it. I believe in you. And I got to meet and get exposed to Repton Tech this year, so that's exciting too. I like how the space is growing. Our community is growing on Twitch, and I've been branching out to YouTube, y'all, so I appreciate it for folks when you are on YouTube if you actually chime in and comment and things like that, because I will be making more. What I haven't gotten to do yet that I really want to do is make more edited videos, short form and long form videos. So I'll definitely be doing more of that. So this was the creator recap for this year. Let's see the community. 500,000 new affiliates, 6,000 new partners. I don't really hang out in the broader Twitch community. I mostly stay in the software and game dev, or people that I follow, like back when we used to have the cookout and stuff like that. Let's see my viewer stats. I watched 324 hours, and I've visited on 135 days. These my categories. Who was I watching play Kingdom Hearts? I think it's a specific streamer that was playing Kingdom Hearts. I like GTA RP, y'all. I've been in the Black Girl Gamers chat a lot. That's Black Girl Gamers right there. What is a top Twitcher? Category champion and chatty chatter. Okay, now I got a badge. Let me fix my badge. Yes, the Twitch recap badge is cute this year. I like it. Okay. So yeah, it's been a huge work in progress, y'all. And then Repped in Tech. Oh yeah, Nova is like my favorite. He has the best RP as well. Like Girl Gamers, obviously. I think Team Bash does software dev streaming. Repped in Tech is my most watched channel, of course. Makes sense. And Edom Games too. If y'all haven't seen his channel, Edom Games, he's like building an RPG game right now, I think. So he live streams pretty regularly as well. All right, so we saw our recap. I'm trying to figure out. Miss Synerd, hello. I understand the cleaning and thank you for the lurk. And you just missed yourself on the top Twitch recap says you're one of my loudest supporters or something like that. So you had a moment. You were in the top 8 of people that they showcased. But yeah, I totally understand because I was cleaning up in here earlier today, so get your lurk on, girl. But yeah, I was saying that earlier. I was like, my house was like, it wasn't just my kitchen, it was my house. So I've been really exhausted this week. Saturday, my my what you call it, my mouse dropped. But anyways, Saturday was a big day because during the day I went out shopping. I was getting a bunch of stuff for the house. I got a Christmas tree. I got all the decorations for the tree. I got like, I didn't have like really dishes or anything. Like I had some stuff that I could have brought over here, but I basically I'm starting everything from the ground up. So I went and got like literally so much stuff on Saturday. I was shopping for like almost 12 hours. And that was also on a budget too. So we was doing good. But we were out like almost all day. I mean, honestly, the person who made out the best on the shopping spree was baby boy. He got a new coat, he got a new vest, he got all kind of clothes, he got new toys and stuff. But yeah, so we did that. And then yes, I'm gonna put the Christmas tree up. I will live stream when I put the Christmas tree up. I got I'm doing a red and gold theme for my tree. And I'm trying to push the like Dollar Tree decorations to their limit. So I want to see if I could be like these fancy YouTubers that be like, oh, you can have like a chic or upscale look with like Dollar Tree, or they be coming up with all these different like DIYs and stuff. But yeah, and then my mom is literally obsessed with decorating for every holiday. She has so many decorations, like it's crazy. And she gave me like a whole tote full of stuff that I can use for my red and green theme. So she actually gave me like this little garland thing I got from her. I just got it because I was like taking extra lights a little while ago, but she gave me like a much bigger one that goes with this. I got a bunch of red and green garland. I got different decorations and stuff. So and I got lights and stuff like that too. So yeah, we'll put my tree up soon. That's actually my next step, probably is going to be putting my tree up. But I had to make sure that I cleaned up my house. So anyways, yeah, I brought all them bags in and I had a whole bunch of stuff. So I cleaned up the kitchen today. I pretty much like made sure there's no dishes or anything around the house randomly. And I'm about to hang up a whole bunch of clothes later because I still got more stuff to move over here, but I'm not done moving. So y'all gonna see. Maybe I'll do it on Saturday. I've been really I haven't gotten a lot of work done this week, so I'm planning on doing some work on Saturday. Okay, so let's look at maybe let's see if I can write a blog. Actually, I like to sign in without y'all being able to see on the business. Some of these sites love to show your business posts. All right, so we are here, and all right, now I can see everything. All right, so we can let's write a blog. This is the blog. This is the topic of if you want to get contribution credits for your forked repos. Technically, this is not a full forking process. However, this is in the case where you are forking like a template repo or something like that. And you want to basically get you want GitHub to track your contributions to this repository. Traditionally, with a fork on GitHub, you do not get contribution tracking for any of your commits to a fork. The only way that your fork commits will be tracked or will count towards your contribution graph is if those changes get merged back into the original repository. So with that being said, this is like always bugs me. It's really annoying. Pretty soon, hopefully they'll fix that. But in the meantime, this is what I have done recently for multiple repositories where I knew I wanted to get, credit for my contributions, and I don't need those changes to get merged back into the fork, the original or whatever. So anyways, this is the most streamlined way I've seen to do it. So first would be to clone the repo, like clone the original repository. And then next would be, after you clone the repository, can you have like a comment and show? I don't know. The markdown. I wanted to show this. Alright, I guess that's the only way I can show it. Anyways, this is the first step. Maybe I'll come back and fix it, because this is the structure. That's the syntax. Alright, so you clone the repo. You change the origin URL. Instead of calling it origin, you call it upstream. And then you give your directory a new folder name if you would like to. So the repository is this repository is called wishlisty. Then after that, okay, let's do it like this. Create clone the original repo. You clone the repo and then you create an empty repo on your account, and you push the local 2022. All right, so cloning the original is here. Creating an empty repo and then push to the new empty repo. Okay, let's go to GitHub. I'm gonna delete this. I just want to see the commands that come up. Wish listy. Is this gonna show me? Actually, this should go up here. See, directory. All right. Basically, I want one that's like a template, and then the others will be specific. Alright, I can delete this settings. Actually, because I might be mad at myself if I don't take this screenshot now. I gotta teach tonight. So I gotta teach tonight, so I'm gonna I'm gonna take a break soon. What app do I use? Okay. I think I deleted it. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna teach tonight. So I'm gonna take a break soon. So I can come back to my computer and work on my setup and stuff for tonight's lesson. I'm trying to find the original repo link. Let's just open what's it called? It was like learn self.teach or something. Selfteach.me. Oops. I do plan on finishing this challenge too. I really want my desk so bad, like, or at least I caught myself borrowing a bar stool. It's not a bar stool. You can't even see it in the frame right now because it's that tiny compared to this counter. Or I guess I should say the problem is that this surface is like a bar height, and a lot of the other stools they were not bar height, they were counter height. So I need a counter height stool for this setup. I feel like I can get more done if I could like just sit for a while and dig in on some projects. Start here. This is the start here. (2023) starter. Does it say shell or or bash? It says shell. Okay. Dang it. Where did I put mine? Oh, Advent of JavaScript 2023. Wow. I hope that's saved. Yeah. I love my Magic Mouse, but I don't know why. I be accidentally swiping back all the time. Fork is a bad search term. I like this one. I like this one. Let's use this one. All right. So I'm gonna start doing this. I think I really need to start pushing myself. I should write like one post a day, really, because some of the stuff I write is not super long and involved. It's just a matter of getting it up there. I did write a new post, metadevgirl.com. I wrote a new post recently about how to set up your project to make it easy for others to set it up from GitHub, and also just in general some tips around what helps make a good README, whether it's for your instructor that's going to be helping you troubleshoot through a project, or whether it's for it's your final project for your bootcamp and you want your folks that might be interested in interviewing you to be able to easily set your projects up and see what you worked on, or whether it is you want some folks to come in and start contributing. So that post is up now, and I have a lot of stuff sitting in queue. So I think today, I'm gonna take a break for a little while so I can teach this evening, but right now I feel like I'm gonna get this published, and then tomorrow I will be streaming. I have to work on stuff for the app, so tomorrow's CTO day, basically CTO live streams. So we'll be working on the app tomorrow, although some of that stuff I won't show, but that'll be a good time to talk about no code and MVPs and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up for the day. I will see y'all in the morning for sure. And I appreciate everybody stopping by. I especially appreciate everyone who hung out and participated in the podcast today. I appreciate y'all. Everybody, I hope you have a good evening, and I will see y'all tomorrow.